Hi, this is Taylor with Rentals in SF, and this is a video tour of 1054 Fell Street. Okay, fantastic. This is located just south of Alamo Square Park and close to Divisadero with all the food, drink, and shopping options. Only one block to Lower Haight neighborhood with equally as great food and drink and shopping. Okay, here we are on Fell Street. Let's just take a look around. This is a one-way street heading west and fairly busy street generally. Here is the front of the building right here. There's 3 units in the building, and this unit is on the very top floor. Okay, let's go ahead and step inside. Let's go ahead and get the feel, the look. All right, you're going to have a digital entry right here. It is a walk-up, so one long flight of stairs. Okay, by the way, keep in mind, I'm still going to have the whole apartment painted and cleaned. So I apologize, it's not clean and painted yet. Tenants just moved out yesterday, but I wanted to give you the flow of the place and a general idea of what the rooms look like. Okay, here is the kitchen. Full-size fridge. Looks like there's an eat-in portion in the corner there. There's a washer-dryer, front-loading, full-size washer-dryer. Certainly a small table could go there in that corner. Just to let you know that this is the back stairs that go down to the backyard. It is a shared backyard, big beautiful backyard, so you'll love that. Trash recycling and compost on the very first floor right there. Okay. This door from the kitchen flows into the living room. Decorative fireplace. Beautiful hardwood floors. 3 double hung windows. There's the backyard. See, big backyard. With a deck. And like I said, shared with 2 other units in the building. Okay, here is the back bedroom. By the way, I do have dimensions on our website. This room has a standing wardrobe and a ensuite restroom. Tub shower combination. Here is the second full restroom. Hall closet. Smaller bedroom with skylight. This is the front-facing bedroom to the left. These are double hung windows, but also double pane. It'll help reduce some of the street noise. You'll still hear a little bit of street noise. But just to let you know, those windows have been updated. Same thing for those front windows. Okay, that concludes our tour. Thank you so much for watching and best of luck in your home search.